Hi students, so let us go for the fourth problem of centroid. So in this figure, in this problem it is given that determine the centroid of the given shaded plane. Okay, so here you have to determine centroid of only this shaded area, not for the whole. Okay, so first thing is a rectangle of 400 mm by 400 is given, out of which a quarter of the circle is deducted with radius of 300, and a right angle triangle of base 300 by 300 is deducted in this. So you have to first find out the CGs of this. So in this first rectangular area, we'll take it as positive area, out of which A2 is quarter of the circle, we'll deduct that area, and A3 is the triangle portion, that A3 we have to deduct it. So in this, G1 represents centroid of the rectangle and or square, and G2 represents the centroid of the quarter of the circle, and G3 represents the centroid of the triangle. Okay, so and this whole figure is in first quadrant, so therefore all x1 and y1 will be positive. Okay, so first area is rectangular area, so we'll find out the CG of that. So here this is the distance of the centroid from y-axis. So y-axis means you will have x1. So x1 will be 400 by 2. The 400 is the breadth, so therefore 400 by 2 you will have 200 mm, and y1 is the centroid from the x-axis, so therefore y1 is equals to, once again, 400 is the total depth by 200, so by 2 you will get 200 mm. So x1 and y1 are the centroid for the whole rectangle. Then x2 is the centroid from y-axis. So x2 is since you have rectangle a quarter of the circle with radius 300, so from this point it is 4r by 3 pi, 4 into 300 by 3 pi, you will get 127.32 mm. And similarly y2 is also same distance, so you'll have 4r by 3 pi, once again you'll have 127.32 mm. So next, G3 is the centroid of the right angle triangle. So x3 distance will be, this x3 distance will be from here to here, you'll have 400 minus this breadth of this is 300, b by 3. We'll take 400 minus 300 by 3, you will get 300 mm, or you can take it like this, 100 plus 2/3 of 300. So 100 plus 2/3 of 300 is, once again, 200. 200 plus 100 you will get 300. You can calculate either from here to here, deduct this, or this 100 plus 2/3 of b by 3 you can take it. So this is x3, and y3 will be once again 400 is this height minus d by 3. D by 3 is 300 by 3, you'll have 100. So 400 minus 100 you'll get 300 mm. So substitute all the areas in the tabular column. So first rectangle is 400 mm by 400, so you'll get 160. So since you have bigger areas, so you put it the answers in 10 power 3 or 10 power. So if you want the answers in 10 power 3, in your calculator you plus ENG, that is calculator will be given with ENG. So press that, you'll give in 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 6, like that. So this is 160 into, and A2 is quarter of the circle, so that is minus area because you are deducting that, so pi r square by 4, so you'll get this. A3 is a right angle triangle, so half into base into height, half into 300 into 300. So summation of this 160 minus 70 minus 45 will get 44.315 in 10 power 3 only. Then x1 distance and y1 distances are positive only. Substitute that, x1 200, y1 200, x2 is 127.32, y2 is 127.32, and x3 is 300, y3 is also 300. So next is ax, so multiply with a into x, so you'll get ax, and you keep it in 10 power 6 terms. Okay, so multiply with this and this, you'll get 10 power 6 terms, and similarly you calculate this. This is ax and this is ay. Then calculate summation of a, summation of ax, and summation of ay. So x bar is summation of ax divided by summation of a, so 9.5 into 10 power 6 divided by 44.315 into 10 power 6, 10 power 3 you will get. So you will get it as x bar is equal to 214.37. So y bar is also, substitute same thing, you will get same area. So this is the centroid of the given shaded area. Thank you.